Tired of throwing money at Facebook ads and not seeing any results? Then you need to harness the power of the Facebook Pixel, and today, I'm going to show you exactly how to install it on your Systeme site in just a few easy steps to unlock a whole new level of marketing effectiveness. First, head over to Facebook Events Manager, and if you haven't already, create a new pixel, giving it a descriptive name that aligns with your business or website. Once your pixel is created, locate your unique pixel ID. This is the key to connecting Facebook with your Systeme site. Copy this ID. You'll need it in the next step. Now log into your Systeme account and navigate to the settings panel, usually found by clicking on your profile picture or within the dashboard options. Look for the section labeled tracking code or head code. This is where you'll paste your Facebook Pixel ID. Simply paste the ID you copied from Facebook Events Manager into the provided field. Make sure you save the changes you've made to ensure that the pixel is properly integrated into your Systeme site. Finally, use the Facebook Pixel Helper Chrome extension to verify that the pixel is firing correctly on your website. This handy tool will confirm that the pixel is tracking visitor activity. Now you are ready to track, optimize, and retarget for improved marketing performance. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more Systeme tips.